Hi, hope you're doing well. My name is Steve with PageKey Solutions, and today we're going to talk about Ruby gems, how to make a gem, how to make it command line accessible, and how to push it to rubygems.org so that it's available for anyone to download. If you haven't already seen it, check out the blog article for this on the PageKey Solutions blog, available at pagekeysolutions.com/blog. There will be a link to this in the description. One of the first things you'll want to do is open up a terminal and check what Ruby version you have. You can do this by typing ruby --version. If anything comes out, that's a good sign. You definitely need at least some kind of Ruby on your computer. If you don't already have Ruby, I would definitely recommend getting RVM or Ruby Version Manager, available at a link in the description. This will save you time down the road in case you need to switch between different versions of Ruby. Now that we've confirmed that we have Ruby up and running on our computer, we'll start to set up the directory structure for our gem. So first, create a directory to hold the gem, and you'll have to make sure that you use a unique name for your gem. I'm going to call ours PageKey, and I've already checked at rubygems.org, searched it up. There's no PageKey gem yet, but I'm taking it, so don't try to take it from me. Once we've made our gems directory, we're going to use the touch command to create empty files as placeholders. Touch first the Gem Spec file, which is just nameofgem.gemspec, and then make the bin and lib directories. Lib will hold all of our code, and bin will hold any binary files or executables. We'll get to that later. Now edit the Gem Spec file. You can use Vim, VI, gedit, Notepad, whatever you prefer. I'm using Vim here. Basically, you can use the same gem file I have here and just replace things that are specific to your gem. There's a lot that you can customize, but for our purposes, this template will suffice. Next, we'll write our code. Edit lib/pagekey.rb, or whatever your gem's called, and inside of this file, we'll put a module with the same name as the gem and a simple method called hello_world. It's best to package your code into some kind of module or class so that your functions don't get confused with that of another gem or something that the person using the gem has defined elsewhere. That's it for the code and configuration. Now it's as easy as building the gem with the gem build command. So just type gem build and then the name of your gem spec file. It should say successfully built version 0.0.0 of your gem. Next, we can install it. Normally the gem install command will look online for the gem. If you use // it will look locally in the current directory, which is where the gem build command just put our new gem. So use gem install // and the name of your gem. Now that everything's installed, we can try it out. Type IRB to access the interactive Ruby console and type require name of your gem. In this case, require PageKey. Then we can use whatever was in that lib directory. So I'll call PageKey hello world, and we'll see the output, which is exactly what string we had. Bonus points if you know that this is from SpongeBob. Finally, we're going to set up an executable for our gem. This way we can type at any time PageKey or the name of your gem to execute the gem's code, no matter where you are on your computer. In this way, it'll be just like any other command, ls, cat, sed, awk, or any other. First, we'll create our executable file. Edit bin/pagekey with no extension. In this file, it's especially important that we include the shebang. This tells the operating system what program we're using to interpret the script. Don't forget to use chmod +x on the executable file to ensure it has permission to be executed. Build your gem again, install the gem again, and try it out. Type PageKey. Well, nothing happened. I wonder why. Turns out, in interactive Ruby, it displays the return value. In this case, it only does what we tell it to do. So, we have to return to the executable file that we made and add the putS command so that it writes the string to the terminal. Save the file, rebuild, reinstall, and try it again. Now you should see our string printed to the console. That just about wraps up this gem tutorial. If you want more information or want to read this in an article format, check out the link in the description to PageKey Solutions blog. In that article, you'll find some helpful tips for automating your gem development process, as well as other articles related to technology and programming type subjects. Thanks for listening today. Feel free to subscribe. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel or subscribe to the email listing at pagekeysolutions.com/blog. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.